Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore how to unsave and stop Brave Nightly Browser from automatically filling addresses on your mobile device. This is useful if you want more privacy or simply do not want your personal information saved in the browser. First, open the Brave Nightly Browser on your mobile phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-dot menu. Then, tap on Settings from the list that appears. After that, scroll until you find the Addresses and More section. Tap on it to open the settings for saved addresses. Next, you will see an option called Save and Fill Addresses. Simply turn this option off to stop the browser from saving and automatically filling your address information in forms. Finally, you have successfully disabled address saving and autofill in Brave Nightly Browser. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more practical mobile browser tips.